Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making mixed vegetable kebab. Now let's start. In a wok, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half cup carrots cut in cubes, half cup capsicum cut in cubes and fry for 1 minute. Half cup chopped onion, 3 green chili chopped and fry for 30 seconds. And then add 1 egg and stir it quickly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 500 grams boiled and mashed potatoes, half cup chopped cabbage. Give a good mix and cook for 2 minutes and then add half cup boiled peas. Mix well, turn off flame, let it cool and take out from the wok. Take a mixture and make 10 to 12 kebabs and dip into beaten eggs and coat into breadcrumbs. In a hot pan, add 4 tablespoons oil and place kebabs and shallow fry until golden brown. Now turn the side and shallow fry again. Now it's ready to take out from the pan. Mixed vegetable kebab is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.